certain seats that you're winning. Now many everybody didn't go on. I'm going to Montagamo Barrack seat is a no-go area. They should be
yes.
I don't care Robinson, they should stop wasting their time. They should stop wasting their time. No edubias across. I'm telling you, I'm a concomba. The lady is a concomba. I'm telling you, say you. You're diffusing bomb, no. You're diffusing no crowd.
And Ashanti Region, I see to happen. I'm
telling you, say the MPP could have 44. You bet two abanobi. Don't be Kesepa Brosama MPP will be 42.
But I had 2 accounts.
Vrati. Kesepa.
No one have 5 seats in a number.
I know when you're 5 seats.
Yeah, you're going to have 6 seats.
Hey, and your degree of confidence is high.
Oh, me more baby, you only say me my dear sir.
Come as a Fuseini degree of confidence, no high power.
No, but a drag here, men and yard.
Oh, a drag, MPP cannot take my word for it.
Montagamo constituency, the minimum MPP for now.
Oh, Kwame.
They themselves now.
Yes.
They are not ready. MPP for now.
I agree with you.
They have a fantastic candidate there. Yes. But the party themselves, they are not ready.
You see 2020 NDC.
And I said, I'm to this time, Gab in the Bay.
Study the dynamics. Oh, such a front place.
Such a front place. You say,
no one was what me for. The
dynamic was that from 2012, I shas, it was around 3,005. But because of your candidates, now it started coming down.
Okay. Oh, okay.
But then now there's a new candidate.
Yeah, very appreciative.
So now the gap will be even bigger than that.
MPP, any new candidate now?
Oh, new candidate in the Bible, but he's not in tune.
Hey, once you are coming, I saw also a boy.
Oh, you're catching the on him coat shepherd, but such a front place in your coat.
Well, anything,
the truth is that Nyameya Aduma,
yeah,
we are doing everything possible to maintain the 4 seats we have.
Okay.
Trust me, de kra na 2 extra seats from the MPP.
Making it 6.
De kra no. By a year who I mean say MPP. We can take about 7. My son no ankasa ya friend na himfia ma na be patch.
Wa kwa me boy adwuma o.
Ankasa ya friend na ma na be patch.
Okay. And yeah, arrangement may through you.
More regional executives ni nyina abaso.
Okay.
This is one of the campaigns every MPP for any super, because this time around the secretary is on the move, the chairman is on the move, the organizer, the women's wing, the communication, the youth wing, everybody is on the move. And what they are also even doing is our chairman is responsible for all community entry processes. Until before secretary need the other campaign team no be constituency be kra na chairman edi kan o ho a ono ni ahemfu ne all the opinion leaders no akoye all the community entry process. Nti ye koye na ejadam
na mo na mo kire anu no already asere kwan na mamo dada
nti no and every enuanu mani so they don't know where to now matches me no ka say running mate wa ha. And now some of the constituencies are somewhat saying for most of them he's meeting the women organizers of all the constituencies again. The flag bearer hasn't been here yet. Now Napoli Baumiyama himself almost 4 times. JM has not officially done his campaign here, but we are rating Nibiana, we are beating, we are hitting them.
Okay.
And you would have expected say MPP by now would have been doing like 70-75%. They are struggling to even cross 60 column.
Okay.
And so for me, that is the good news for me. And things that my member, all the regional executives are baso. So far so good. Yenye wana bana kan order form. Yenye huni tiniti preko.
Okay. Honorable Fuseini Donko, I'm very grateful.
Must be very grateful for the opportunity.
Time be a komo.
That's it. I will be very
time be a komo na Yamwa.
Ubo edwuma so.
Yamisha.
Ufa check as so.
Oh yeah. Fact check. I want to do a quick remember Franco the hitter.
The punches in an order.
On your hit and run, hit and stay.
Mo see you so about he's also doing a fantastic
Dr. Lawson.
job.
Okay.
Dr. Lawson.
Okay.
Me see aneda, me hu ne that there, but you hu ne nyuma outside, and they are the people Ghanaians want the change for because they have the capacity to employ more people.
Yeah.
But by way more ho kwan. Right, you know, omo nyina mmoa. Na yempa mu nkro omo nya sika no omo pe kwan akofia kodi omo sika. Nti wo de yemma omo nkofie ne yem from omo bebu akonta keke na de aka no omo nya kwan ni.
All right.